Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Celestia. Before the airdrop video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do everything here, and we are going to cover a little bit about the Celestia project and why this project could be really important to the crypto space, and of course how to make this possible for you to get an airdrop for this project. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, Celestia is what is called the first modular blockchain network. This means that Celestia is a minimal blockchain that only orders and publishes transactions and doesn't execute them, by decoupling the consensus and application execution layers. Celestia modularizes the blockchain technology stack and unlocks new possibilities for the centralized application builders. For example, if you are a developer, this is the traditional monolithic architecture, where developers can only use programming languages supported by chain's execution environment, and in the case of Celestia, they enable modular architecture, which developers can effortlessly define their own virtual execution environments, similar like virtual machines. I think that is the most important part. And also here, smart contracts cannot be updated without the hard fork. You probably always hear about the Cardano hard fork, the Ethereum hard fork, that is to update the blockchain. And in the case of Celestia, applications can be updated without main chain hard forks. Really, this project can really change some technological part of blockchains right now, and I think this is a very important project to follow right now. The team is actually very experienced. I really like always that in the website you can go to the team and go to the LinkedIn page, Twitter accounts, which everything is transparent for us. So I really like that. You can check that. Of course, all the links are in the description. And also Celestia just raised 55 million to launch modular blockchain network. So they already have a lot of capital to do this. And I have been reviewing, because I am a developer, the GitHub repository, and they are really active working on everything. They have a lot of repositories that are covering the bug fixings of all this. So really happy about how they are progressing on that. And also some important here is the roadmap. Right now we are in the 2022 testnet release, so this is where we are now, but you can see here that in 2023 we have what they call incentivized testnet, and of course incentivized testnet always means an airdrop. So in this video we are going to do the first steps in order to get this airdrop. Of course this is a speculation. I am not 100% that this will help you to the airdrop. Maybe we need to wait until we have this incentivized testnet launched, but sometimes, like happened with Aptos, when they were in the testnet release and they said that the NFT it was worthless, at the end those NFTs was the one that give you the reward for Aptos. Not always these companies reveal this information from the beginning, because if not, everyone will be going and taking the airdrop. But besides that, we are going to do what is in our power right now to start participating on this testnet. And finally, Celestia has 83k followers in Twitter, really active. The Twitter is actually very informative about the progress. So I really like the project, and right now let's go into the airdrop step-by-step tutorial. So this is a Cosmos project, so we are going to use the Keplr wallet. This is our first step. If you don't have your Keplr wallet, you can download it, and once you have it, it will look like this. And here you can select the networks that you are going to use for this ecosystem. In our case, we are going to use this one, Celestia Testnet Mamaki. And in order to get that in your Keplr wallet, you need to go and open this link. This will pump this link that it will connect with your Keplr and will add the network into your wallet. So you are going to go into the down part here of your networks and you are going to click it to connect. So here now we are connected to our Celestia Testnet Mamaki. And if that doesn't work, you can have here the tutorial on how to add it. But basically when you open this link, you are going to be pumped to add it into your network. So that is very easy. That is step 1 and 2. After that, you need to join to the Discord of Celestia. Here you have my Discord invite for Celestia Discord. So once you are there, you need to validate the account. It's very easy to do. And then you go all down way here to node operator section. And there in Mamaki faucet, you are going to need to put some code here in order to get free tokens. And that is this command. You need to put the sign of dollar and then the word request and then your Celestial wallet network address. So in order to get that, you go here in your Keplr, and once you are in Celestia, you click here and it will be copying your address. Remember, this address includes the word Celestia at the beginning, so you don't need to delete that. Just copy what you get here clicking this button of your address. So once you got that, you are going to go to the Discord in that section and you are going to put the sign of dollar request and then you are going to paste your wallet. In my case, I already ran this before, but you can see here an example of this guy doing it. So after some time, you are going to receive tokens here. You are going to receive 10 TIA tokens. I have 0 available because I am already using it. But once you get the tokens, and I think this will not fail for you, it has been working me all the time, you are going to have 10 tokens here. Once you have your tokens, we can go to point 5, which is basically the only things that we can do right now is send and receive the tokens. So you can click on send here, and you can put my address if you want, it's in here in point 5, and you can send me 1 TIA token in order to get the transaction done for you. Also, you can put your address if you want into the link of the description, so I can also send you some TIA token maybe. I'm not going to do it for everyone, but I will do it also to get transactions on that. But basically right now, guys, the only things that we can do is send and deposit here are TIA tokens. We cannot do anything else right now because we are, like I mentioned here, in a very early stages here on the testnet. We are not even in this incentivized testnet. I'm not sure if this requesting the tokens and send it and deposit it will help us to the airdrop. I am not sure about that, but it's very easy to do, so you don't lose anything doing it. It's just 5 minutes of your time and it's free. The other thing that you can do here, which is very complex and I am doing it, is running a node on the testnet. Again, I am not sure that running a node in the testnet it will help you to get the airdrop. I really don't think so. So I am doing it just in order to test the application and what they are building, but it's a little difficult to do it. You need maybe some knowledge of programming. But I will put this link on the description. This is how to run a light node. You basically have here your hardware requirements, how to setting up your light node. Here is if you use Linux, you have here all the codes that you need to run for everything and installing the Golang and the versions. Everything here is explained. You basically need to copy and paste all this, and you will be able to initialize the light node and start the light node. Then you are going to be able to have your transactions and do things with your wallet and everything. If you have Mac, you can also do this. You have here the code in Mac, so you can just move here. But if you have Windows, we don't have a version here. I didn't saw a version of that. But anyways, about those things, you can connect on Discord and ask here on Mamaki Testnet or in the general part of the Discord. Again, I am not sure if running a node it will help you for the airdrop. I think it's not worth it. I am just doing it to test the programming language and to test the application itself, but because I am a developer, I was able to run this easily, but I am not going to do a tutorial of that, guys, because it's very complex. You may not understand it if you are not a dev, and probably it will not help you to get the airdrop. So for now, you just get the testnet on Keplr, send some transaction to me, is my link there. I will use your test tokens to test the application and nodes. Doesn't have any value, doesn't give me any value, just help me to test this stuff. But besides that, you can send it to another wallet if you have. You can create another wallet and send it to yourself. and then you send it back for deposit here. So for now, just use your wallet with the Celestia Testnet Mamaki. But we are going to have an airdrop on this project, and I will be covering in the future again. So this is just the first step, our first video on Celestia. I will keep an eye on this project. I will cover it when we have officially in the incentivized testnet. So we are up to date with this project that I really like on the technological aspect of blockchain and progress on the crypto space, but also because we are going to have a token guide here, and this is probably one of the things that you can do at this moment. If you are interested in that, follow everything here on the testnet on Discord, so you will be up to date. Guys, very quick video. This is all you need. Of course, the links are going to be on the description for the spreadsheet, like always. I also am going to put this how to run the Celestia Light node.
Learn how to set up a Celestia.
This is an official video of Celestia. You can follow them on YouTube. But besides that, guys, there's not much things to do right now. There's no application that you can go and run transactions. So that will be in the next stage. We are super early on this. But again, this is a part 1 of a series of videos that I plan to do of Celestia when I follow the project and see more news. Remember, guys, to follow me here on YouTube. Just click the like button, the subscribe and the bell to get the notifications. And check my other videos. All this you can do the airdrop right now. Almost every video here you still can do it, except for Pax War and Granary airdrop. This already finished. We are waiting for the distribution on that. I will keep you guys updated on that. But you have here the SUI airdrop, the Zeta chain airdrop, Arbitrum and Optimism still are available because we don't have official data that is finished. The same for Layer 0 and starknet as Zksync. These are all important airdrops that you need to do, and you can do it checking my videos, guys. So that will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.